Hi guys, my name is Marlena. This is my channel. Welcome back to my channel. So yeah, I am in the same clothes because I just finished cleaning my kitchen and I'm here to wash my baby clothes. So I will show you guys how to wash my baby clothes because I don't have a washing machine and I wash by my hand. So I will show you guys how I do it until we buy a washing machine because yeah. It's easy and fast. If you guys want to see this video, give a thumbs up to this video and follow me to my social media and share this video to your friends, your family, everyone that you guys know. So I will show you guys how I wash my baby clothes. Yeah, we are in the bathroom. I wash his clothes in the bathroom. I will show you guys how I do everything. I don't know the name of the thing. I don't know how you say it. I forget how like I don't know. I just forget the name. Yes, I forget the name. So yes, let me show. So I just like get like this. I take shower on it. I just put away and I use this soap over here. Sensitive skin soap, and because yeah, it's a baby, and I put this cloth into soak in the water overnight, so it's easier because I put in the hot water, it soak overnight, then in the morning I just came and change the water and put the soap and then wash it, rinse it, then dry it, not in the dryer because yes. I'll show you guys how I do it and yeah, let's go. I'm done washing them. Let me see. I'm done washing them. Oh, it's so hot now. And yeah, I put them over here. And I will put them somewhere to dry. So I don't know the name. I will show you guys. Okay, let's go. So we are here in my basement. So this is the clothes. Here is the thing that I was telling you guys. This is my work clothes, my work t-shirt, shorts, t-shirt. They are dry. Yes, we are done. It is. So I just put the socks over here. It's easier that way. Yeah. Guys, thank you for watching, and please give a thumbs up to this video and follow me on social media. Subscribe to this channel and share this video to your friends and family. And thank you for watching again. And if you guys want like one more like this kind of videos, just ask me and I will leave the link of my Instagram and the subscription. And yeah, see you guys later. Bye.